Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a steamroller for all of your city building and construction building needs. The steamroller was built and designed for a much larger project of mine, which is this construction site. If you haven't yet made the construction site, or you would like to see all of the builds that I have associated with it, check out the card system, the description below, and the top of the comment section for all of the tutorials. I'm not even quite sure how many there will be, but there's going to be quite a few vehicles added on to this build in particular, some of which you can see just down below. But without any further ado, let's get started. The amount of space required to make your steamroller is a 7x3 block area as represented by the white concrete grid on the ground, which I would recommend that you make if you are planning out a city or a particular build, perhaps a construction site. Here are all of the materials that we will need to make the build. Please do make sure that you have access to all those materials and enough of them as well. And now that we have all of that stuff, we can get started. So if you've made the grid, I want you to come all the way over to the back side of where you want your steamroller to be. I want you to find the middle of the back and then move inwards 1, 2. Place a yellow concrete and then 2 to the left. This is the middle of the steamroller. I want you to place a smooth quartz stairs on top of the middle block, a yellow concrete in front of and behind the stairs, and then extend those yellow concretes outwards left and right each by 1. I want you to place a polished black stone brick slab underneath and to the side of the quartz stairs. Then above these slabs, you're going to want to place on one side a lever, and on the opposite side a button, and these just look like controls. Behind and to the left of the seat, I'm going to place a, let's get the real name, polished black stone brick wall with an iron bar on top. Then we just have to place the rollers of the steamroller. So this is very tricky to do, but basically the idea is that in front of and behind the steamroller, you want to have 2 pairs of back-to-back stairs. So you want to create kind of circular shape. So it's better to place the first row that is 1 row's gap away first, and then you can place the row behind, and then we can place the opposite rows on top, and there you have the 2 rollers. So 1, and then this is what I mean, like on the back it's easier to do like the further out row first, which is upside down, and then, well, the other row is upside down as well, the one that connects to it. And then we just want to place the opposite of those rows on top. And if you're quite happy with that, I mean, that looks just fine to me. But if you want to make it look as though that the rollers are actually connected, just a couple of rows of birch signs on both the left and the right will just kind of like pull this build together. So just like this. And it's a very, very simple build. It's really easy, but I think it's a really cool bit of decoration, and that is all there is to it. So this is what your steamroller will look like once it's been 100% fully completed. I hope that you have enjoyed making this, and I hope that you will have a really good spot in your city for it. If you have enjoyed the tutorial, please do remember to hit that like button, as it will really help me and the channel out very much. If you're new around here, please do consider subscribing and clicking that little bell next to the subscription button. That will ensure that you get all my videos sent directly to your sub box. Make sure that all of the notifications are turned on. If you want to make anything else by me, check out the card system in the description below and the top of the comment section for more. I will make sure to link all of the tutorials associated with the building site, and also I will link the city builds playlist as well, which has well over 100 things in for you to make. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all very much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.